The internal battles within ZANU-PF reflect long-standing rivalries that have intensified since the 2017 coup. While Mnangagwa is consolidating power in public, behind the scenes, the party remains bitterly divided. Sandapana mashukaru kuno kwanzi panguva inoi, the ruling party is at war with itself. Panguva inoi tiri kuona kuti mutungamiri wenyika pamwe chete nema allies ake mubato vari kuzama nepavanogona napo kuda kustabilize their own party. Noda kuti panguva inoi kunyazi kuno kwanzi ine chaos yakanyanya. Ndombo subscribe like on the bell icon. Timna unomuda nkomchize the Chiwenga faction, comprising mostly military-aligned veterans and security officials, has grown increasingly uneasy with the mnangagwa's perceived efforts to sideline the military from politics and impose a dynastic succession plan. Mnangagwa, who has in recent years been a vocal critic of the so-called militarization of politics, is viewed as the Chiwenga camp as a political antagonist. His public attacks on factionalism have often been interpreted as thinly veiled bumps at Chiwenga's influence within the party. The latest episode appears to be a calculated effort by Mnangagwa to project unity ahead of looming internal battles, but it also suggests that the president may be walking a political tightrope, balancing his desire to peg rivals with the need to maintain cohesion in a deeply divided party. As ZANU-PF prepares for the next Congress, the question remains, can Mnangagwa keep the party together, or are the fractures now too deep to heal? Ndo mashukaru muda panguva inoachenzi mutungamiri wenyika patikona kuti they are now heading for the Congress achakwanisa kumaintaina the balance here kana pane chaos ichaitika. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitike pachiona kuti chaos is rocking nemafactions the ruling party ZANU-PF. Nakomesi kuchemedza mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.